Today, we're diving into the world of compact audio solutions with the AK170 Mini Amplifier. If you're looking for a small, budget-friendly amplifier that promises powerful performance, you've come to the right place. In this review, we'll cover everything you need to know, from its design and features to how it stacks up against the competition. Stick around till the end for some FAQs and my final thoughts. Performance and accuracy. Let's start with the heart of the matter, performance. The AK170 is equipped with 20 watt plus 20 watts output power, more than sufficient for small to medium-sized spaces. Its sound clarity is impressive for its size, delivering balanced highs, warm mids, and decent bass response. While it's not audiophile grade, it's perfect for casual listeners, whether you're playing music, watching movies, or even gaming. One standout feature is its signal-to-noise ratio, which minimizes distortion even at higher volumes. It also handles a wide range of input sources, from RCA to aux and even Bluetooth, making it versatile for various setups. Design. The design of the AK170 is sleek and compact, measuring just enough to fit into tight spaces or minimalist setups. The brushed aluminum finish adds a premium touch, and the knobs for volume, bass, and treble control feel solid and responsive. On the front, you'll find a headphone jack and input ports, while the back houses speaker terminals and power input. It's not flashy, but it's functional and stylish enough to blend seamlessly into most environments. Ease of use. One of the best aspects of the AK170 is its plug-and-play simplicity. Setting it up takes minutes, whether you're connecting it to passive speakers, a turntable, or streaming via Bluetooth. The knobs are intuitive, and switching between input modes is straightforward. For beginners, the user manual provides clear instructions, making this an excellent choice for those new to amplifiers. Even advanced users will appreciate its no-nonsense approach. Comparing with competitors. How does the AK170 stack up against its rivals? Compared to the Fosi Audio BT20A or Knob Sound Mini Amplifier, the AK170 holds its own with similar power output and clarity, but at a slightly lower price point. While it lacks some of the advanced features like built-in DACs found in premium models, its affordability and straightforward functionality make it a top pick for budget-conscious buyers. However, it's worth noting that competitors like the Fosi BT20A offer slightly better Bluetooth range and a more polished build quality. But if you're not overly concerned about those extras, the AK170 is a strong contender. Potential drawbacks. No product is perfect, and the AK170 is no exception. Here are some areas where it could improve. Bass limitations. While the sound is balanced, the bass might feel underwhelming for bass-heavy genres like EDM or hip-hop. Bluetooth connectivity. The range is decent but not exceptional, so keep that in mind if you plan on streaming from a distance. No remote control. Unlike some competitors, the AK170 doesn't come with a remote, which might be inconvenient for some users. AK170 Mini Amplifier pros and cons. Pros: affordable, offers excellent value for the price. Compact and stylish, small footprint and attractive design. Easy to use, simple setup and intuitive controls. Cons: limited bass, may not be ideal for bass-heavy music. Average Bluetooth range, not the best for long-distance streaming. Frequently asked questions. Can the AK170 drive large speakers? It's best suited for small to medium-sized speakers. While it can power larger ones, you might not get the best performance at higher volumes. Does it support wireless streaming? Yes. It has Bluetooth connectivity for wireless streaming from your phone or laptop.